Here's how to add welcome bot to Discord server. So the first step is to click on your Discord server name at the top and then go to app directory. Now from here we just have to search for Dino, and then after that we just have to click on this app here. Now simply click on add app, and then we just have to simply click on visit site. So we'll get redirected here where we're gonna have to simply select our server and click on continue. Now make sure we have all these permissions selected and click on authorize. From here we just have to verify that we are human and basically we have our bot. Now from here we just have to choose our time zone, click on next, and then from here we just have to choose our updates channel. So I'm going to choose general and click on next, then click on done. From here where it says modules, we just have to search for welcome and enable this. Now we can click on settings, and basically here we just have to select message. So this will be the welcome message. Of course, if you want, you can edit this. We can also use different variables. As you can see here, the mention of the user calling the command. So this will basically tag the user, then the avatar, username, etc. Now what we can do also is to simply choose our welcome channel. So if you want, you can create a separate channel for this, but I'm going to choose general, then click on update, and basically that's it. Now if someone joins my Discord server, here in general they will see a welcome message. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.